ever thought about how much water pollution affects our world?
Yeah, all the time. I read that polluted water doesn't just affect us like humans, it also affects animals, plants, and even entire ecosystem. For example, industrial waste, pesticides, and the plastic garbage in the ocean are damaging us, and even it's causing a lot of biodiversity loss.
Yeah, I think that's why for our project for the class of biotechnology and global society, maybe we should do something about bioremediation. Because water is fundamental for almost every life process in every organism.
That's a great idea. Bioremediation isn't the process where microorganisms are used to clean polluted environments.
And yes, there are other methods for cleaning pollution, like physical and chemical. But scientists nowadays are starting to investigate, like, for example, new methods that have less disadvantages and are more effective. For example, I was reading and I started reading about bacteria and fungi and even algae that can break down pollutions like oil, plastics, and even toxic dyes. Can you believe it?
Wow, that sounds pretty interesting. Maybe we could investigate more about it, and maybe we could ask an expert like Dr. Sanchez. She's an environmental biotechnologist, so she could help us.
Talking with Dr. Sánchez will be marvelous, and I have some ideas about what to ask her. Hi, Dr. Sanchez. Thank you for meeting us.
We're researching about bioremediation for our project, and we were wondering if you could answer some questions for us.
Of course, bioremediation is one of the most fascinating applications of biotechnology. What would you like to know?
First, how does it work?
It relies on biodegradation, where living organisms like bacteria metabolize harmful substances, converting them into harmless ones like carbon dioxide and water. This helps clean up environments naturally and sustainably.
Are there specific microorganisms involved?
Yes, many. For example, protobacteria and serratia liquefacients are great for breaking down dyes in water. Pseudomonas and Bacillus species help clean up hydrocarbons like oil spills. And finally, cyanobacteria and microalgae are now being studied for breaking down plastic polymers.
That's incredible. So these organisms are kind of like nature's cleanup crew?
Exactly, and some are even genetically modified to improve their efficiency in breaking down pollutants.
Bioremediation has been successfully around the world.
For example, in the Hudson River, where they use bacteria like the Halococoides to break down PCBs from industrial waste.
Or like in Lake Washington, where pollution caused by sewage was reversed by redirecting wastewater, allowing microorganisms to restore the natural balance of the lake.
I had no idea bioremediation could be so powerful and so versatile.
And it's eco-friendly too, no need for heavy machinery or harsh chemicals.
But we also learned that it only works on biodegradable substances and it needs careful monitoring.
True, but it's still such a promising solution for cleaning our water.
Bioremediation encompasses a range of methods depending on the type of pollutant and the surrounding environment. Some approaches rely on naturally occurring organisms, while others enhance microbial activity by adding nutrients, oxygen, or specific conditions to accelerate the process. Key factors such as temperature, moisture, pH, and microbial communities play a crucial role in determining its success. It supports global goals for environmental protection by promoting cleaner water, responsible waste management, and ecosystem restoration. This field brings together microbiology, genetic engineering, and environmental science to create innovative nature-based solutions. As research advances, techniques may include engineering microbes designed to target specific pollutants with greater precision. With growing adoption around the world, bioremediation is becoming a vital tool in shaping a more regenerative and ecologically conscious future.
As a reflection, bioremediation shows how biotechnology and environmental science can work together to protect our planet. By using microorganisms to treat polluted water, we not only heal ecosystems but also take a step toward a more sustainable future.
This process not only reduces the impact of pollutants like hydrocarbons, heavy metals, or pesticides, it's also a great alternative for traditional methods that are more expensive and more aggressive.
Taking care of our ecosystems is a huge responsibility, and knowing these processes can help us to be more conscious of the big impact that we have on the environment and the alternatives that exist to reduce it.
So we hope this video helped you understand the importance of bioremediation.
Let's take off our water is the source of life for all of us.
Thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching.
watching.